This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisors Noida, your trusted business mitra. Can a company under insolvency say, stop the criminal case against us? Does the IBC moratorium freeze even CBI prosecutions? On 11th November 2025, the Supreme Court delivered a clear and powerful answer. Today, we are breaking down an important criminal law on insolvency intersection judgment delivered by the Supreme Court of India in Central Bureau of Investigation versus Sarvodaya Highways Limited and others. This case clarifies a crucial legal issue whether the moratorium under Section 14 of the IBC bars continuation of criminal proceedings. Here is what happened. The CBI initiated criminal proceedings against Sarvodaya Highway Limited and certain individuals for alleged financial and economic offences. While the criminal case was pending, insolvency proceedings were initiated against the company under the IBC. Once the CIRP commenced, a Section 14 moratorium came into effect. Now Section 14 generally prohibits institution or continuation of suits, recovery proceedings, enforcement of security interests, execution of judgments against the corporate debtor. The company argued, since a moratorium is in place, the criminal proceedings must also be stayed. The CBI argued, criminal prosecution is not a recovery action. It is a sovereign function of the state. The matter reached the Supreme Court. Does Section 14 of the IBC stop criminal investigation or prosecution against a company undergoing CIRP? Or, in simple terms, can insolvency proceedings override criminal law enforcement? The Supreme Court made some very clear observations. Number one, nature of moratorium. The Supreme Court clarified that Section 14 is intended to preserve the assets of the corporate debtor, prevent depletion during resolution, ensure orderly insolvency proceedings. It primarily applies to civil proceedings and recovery actions. Number two, criminal proceedings are different. The court emphasized criminal proceedings is not meant for recovery of money. It is aimed at determining criminal liability and punishing wrongdoing. It involves public law considerations and the sovereign power of the state. Therefore, it cannot be equated with civil suits or recovery proceedings. Number three, no criminal immunity under IBC. The Supreme Court made it clear IBC does not grant immunity from criminal prosecution. Allowing companies to halt criminal trials merely because CIRP has started would undermine criminal justice, encourage misuse of insolvency proceedings, and defeat public interest. Supreme Court held that moratorium under Section 14 of the IBC does not bar continuation of criminal proceedings initiated by agencies such as CBI. This is CA and IP Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. I hope this presentation will be helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel for more such business friendly videos. Thank you.